ReservHub tutorial. How do I edit or cancel a reservation? In this video, we'll show you how to edit a reservation, update its status, and understand how guests can edit or cancel their own booking when this option is enabled. Start from the dashboard reservation view. Here, your team can see the day's bookings in one place, including the guest name, reservation time, number of adults and children, assigned table, duration, and current status. To edit a reservation, click the edit icon on the booking row. The Update Reservation window opens. From here, you can change the date, time, service period, duration, guest numbers, guest contact details, table assignment, waiter, notes, and the reservation status. For example, if the guest changes their arrival time or the party size, update the required fields and check the assigned table. ReservHub helps keep the availability, table plan, and booking details accurate. When the changes are ready, click Update Reservation. If ReservHub asks about the section preference, choose the option that matches your restaurant's seating plan. Once confirmed, the reservation is updated instantly on the dashboard. You can also manage bookings directly from the floor plan. Open the floor plan view and use the Upcoming Reservations panel on the left. Select the reservation you want to update, then open the booking details. The same Update Reservation window appears, so your team can make changes without leaving the live floor plan. This is especially useful during service, when staff need to update a table, change a note, or adjust a booking quickly. ReservHub also supports quick status changes from the dashboard. Instead of opening the full edit window, use the status drop-down on the reservation row. From here, the team can quickly mark a booking as confirmed, tentative, duplicate, left message, or another available status. If the reservation was made by a guest through the restaurant's online booking page, and the restaurant settings allow guest changes, the confirmation email can include edit and cancel buttons. This means guests can update or cancel their own booking directly from the email, reducing phone calls and manual work for the restaurant. With ReservHub, your team can edit reservations from the dashboard, manage bookings from the floor plan, update statuses quickly, and give guests self-service control when enabled. ReservHub. Smarter reservation and table management for modern restaurants. Visit reservhub.com.